Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can add Dank Memo bot to our Discord server on mobile. So for that, create a new channel, give it a name, and click on create. Now give following permissions to everyone on the server, and for that just go to settings, and here click on channel permissions. Give the permission of view channel, then scroll down and search for send message permission, and then give send message permission also, and now search for read message history, and give this permission also. And after that just go to Google and let's invite Memo bot. For that just go to Google and search for Dank Memo. Click on the first link, and here click on invite now. Select the server of your choice, click on continue, authorize, click on I am human. Now go back to your server and give all the permissions to Dank Meme. Click on all the permissions. Make sure that you don't miss even one. And after giving all the permissions, click on done and go to your server and let's try Dank Meme. And use slash for all the commands. Just type in slash and type the word, and you will be able to use Dank Memo, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.